What's up, everyone? This is Shaver Jeep in Thousand Oaks. Today, we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2020 Kia Telluride S. Gray exterior with black interior, and it's got the 3.8-liter V6 dual CVVT engine, coming in at 35,937 miles. It's got a clean CarFax, one owner, no accidents, and it's still under factory warranty. It's got blind spot collision, smart cruise control, hill start assist, electronic stability control, four-wheel ABS brakes, front and rear AC, push button start, keyless entry, lane departure warning, heated seats, power seats, third row seats, power sunroof, premium 20-inch wheels, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Shaver Jeep in Thousand Oaks, and you just previewed a pre-owned 2020 Kia Telluride S.